Hey, what's poppin', Sushi? You guys, I'm back for another video. So today we have Taco Bell, y'all. I'm so excited. We're gonna go ham. This video's gonna have less talking, guys, because I'm just gonna go ham on all of this food. I'm super excited. Oh crap, no! Holy moly! Oh crap, my cheese just exploded all over the place. Can we save the cheese? Hold on. Yo, we're just gonna go ham, y'all. Y'all like hearing brain smacky moaning? Don't watch this video. Video's not for you. Let's pray. Let's get it in. Thank you, Lord Heavenly Father, for bless this food, Lord. Bless it with the Lord in Jesus' name, amen. All right, Nacho Bel Grande, 2 cheesy. Nacho Bel Grande. What is this called? Doritos Locos Taco, cheesy gordita crunch, Mexican pizza. And, you know, be a little bougie, sparkling water. Yo, let's get it in, guys. I'm hungry. And hella hot sauce, because hot is elite. All right, let's do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do I want to start with? Let's start with this big pop over here. I've been craving one of these fatties. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We're not done yet. One papa. And a fire. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Unreal. Unreal. Insane. Insane. Oh. Excuse me. But it's late in the night. Haven't ate all day. I was craving TB, and not tuberculosis either, y'all. So calm yourself down. I forgot we have Mexican pizza over here too. Alright, people go crazy for these things right here. Doritos Locos. Let's try it out. I've had it before, but it's been a while since I've had it. Everything fell off. Oh my god. I'm not eating that one. Guys, hot's the best. Hot sauce there. Mexican pizza is back. Which I don't know why they took it away. It's good. bomb. Oh crap. Yeah, we're just gonna eat this rest of this Mexican pizza. We're not messing with this today. Another one coming. Oh my gosh. It's good. What's your guys' favorite thing to get from Taco Bell? Please comment down below, because every time I go, I tend to always get the same thing over and over and over. Which the Mexican pizza was kind of new because that wasn't part of like my normal. But it's been a minute since I got a Nacho Ball Grande, which was my favorite. We used to get them as kids. My mom used to love them because we love the balance from like soft toppings and like crunchy stuff. Like I always have to have crunch with my food, no matter what it is, you know? It's, I don't know if it's a texture thing, but it's delicious. Okay, but where's the topping at? Look at this. Oh my gosh. They're selling me a shell. They're really selling me a shell right here. That's insane. Fire. Fire. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to edit right here. I'm so stuffed. This was delicious. Taco Bell, it's been a minute. But for the next Taco Bell mukbang, I want to order you guys' order. So please comment down what you guys order so I can try it on the next Taco Bell mukbang. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.